In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply your brand fonts to text in Canva. If you want your designs to look polished, professional, and consistent, using your brand fonts is a simple but very important step. It helps every graphic feel like it belongs to the same visual identity, whether you're creating a presentation, social media post, flyer, or any other type of design inside Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and click on the text you want to edit. Make sure you've selected the exact text box you want to change, because Canva only applies the font update to whatever text is currently highlighted or selected. If your design has multiple text elements, it's a good idea to work through them one at a time so you can stay in control of the overall look. Once your text is selected, move to the top toolbar and click the font drop-down. This is where Canva shows all available fonts for your design. When the menu opens, you'll be able to browse through the list and locate your brand fonts. These are the fonts connected to your brand setup, so they're especially useful when you want your design to stay visually aligned with the rest of your content. After you find your brand fonts in the list, click the one you want to use. Canva will immediately apply that font to the selected text, so you can instantly preview how it looks on the page. This makes it easy to compare options and choose the one that best supports your message while still matching your brand style. Once the font is applied, take a moment to fine-tune the text so it fits your design properly. Adjust the size if the text feels too large or too small. Change the weight if you want it to appear lighter, stronger, or more emphasized. Then check the spacing to improve readability and balance. Small adjustments here can make a big difference, especially if you're working with headings, subheadings, or tightly arranged layouts. As you make these edits, keep both appearance and readability in mind. A font may look great, but it also needs to be easy to read and visually balanced within the design. If something feels off, slight changes to size or spacing are often all you need. That's it. By selecting your text, opening the font drop-down, choosing a brand font, and adjusting the text settings, you can quickly bring your Canva design in line with your brand and create a more cohesive final result.